Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am creating video for present continuous tense. How to make present continuous tense? As I will have to use is a smart sentence. How to make this sentence? Okay. I will use firstly I. I am going there. I am not going there. Am I going there? Why am I going there? This is the I. Okay. Second tense is the you. Okay. You are doing work. You are not doing work. Are you doing work? Why are you doing work? Okay. Third is the we. We are thinking. We are not thinking. Are we thinking? Why are we thinking? Yeah. Fourth is he, she, it, any name. I will use. You will can learn. Okay, you can learn also it. I will use firstly they. They are laughing. They are not laughing. Are they laughing? Why are they laughing? Okay. वो नाच रहा है. He is dancing. He is not dancing. Is he dancing? Why is he dancing? Okay. वो खेल रहा वो खेल रही है. She is playing. She is not playing. Is she playing? Why is she playing? Rahul is running. Rahul is not running. Is Rahul running? Why is Rahul running? Okay. ये काम कर रहा है. It is working. It is not working. Is it working? Why is it working? We can use is the sentence. Okay. Then this is the present continuous tense. Okay. Then I am creating this video only for you. You can learn, subscribe and comment. If you want conversation with me, video call and calls, you can leave comment. I will respond shortly. We are here for improve your communication. I also improving my communication. Okay.